Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the mattress precisely, length, width, and depth. Once done, add seam allowance and extra for depth so the cover fits without strain. Gather waterproof fabric, a breathable liner, a suitable zipper or wide Velcro, and matching thread. Make sure your sewing machine is set for heavy fabrics. Test a scrap to adjust tension. Pin and chalk your cut lines, because accurate cuts prevent puckering and leaks later. Now cut fabric pieces following the marked dimensions and keep everything organized. You align the liner and waterproof fabric right sides together and sew with a 0.5 seam allowance, because that prevents fraying and keeps waterproofing intact. Once sewn, press seams flat. Pressing makes sewing subsequent panels easier. Next, install the zipper along a long edge. Baste first to check placement, then top stitch close to the teeth for a smooth, durable closure. Connect side panels and form box corners to match your mattress depth. Reinforcing corners. You turn the cover right side out and trim loose threads. Then top stitch seam edges to stabilize them and add elastic or ties at corners for a snug hold. Fit the cover onto the mattress and test the zipper fully. Make sure it moves smoothly, and inspect seams under light for gaps or puckering. If fabric bunches, re-sew with a slightly longer stitch length or use a walking foot. If the zipper binds, replace it. Finally, launder or spot clean per fabric care to set seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.